So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-send ng location sa ating Instagram app. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And once you learn more, just keep on watching and let's start! So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating Instagram app or yung ating Instagram account. And then, pagka-open guys, mula dito sa pinakang homepage, pumunta lang tayo sa messenger or sa chats ng ating Instagram. And then, pagka-open guys, mula dito sa chat list, pumili lang kayo ng isang conversation na gusto nyong sendan ng inyong exact location or ng inyong real-time location. So, mag-open ako ng isang conversation. And then, pagka-open guys, ng isang conversation, itatap nyo lang dito is itong add button na nandito sa lower right side. And may pagpa-pop up na options guys. So, ang pipiliin nyo lang dito is yung location. So, tap nyo lang. And ayan guys, madedetect na dito yung location kung nasaan kayo ngayon. And para ma-share, ang gagawin nyo lang guys is share your location. Yung blue kasi guys na circle is yung location nyo ngayon or yung real-time location. So, itatap nyo lang yung share your location. And automatic yan guys, magsasend yan dito sa sinendan ninyo sa Instagram. So dapat guys, naka-open din or naka-on din yung location ng inyong receiver para ma-view nila yung inyong exact location. So ang gagawin lang guys ng inyong receiver para ma-view yung location is itatap lang itong view. And makikita niya yan guys kung nasaan yung inyong location. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-send ng location sa ating Instagram. If you have a question, kindly comment down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night